Good day, good people. Today we're going to sublimate on dollar store canvas. First things you need is a dollar store canvas, laminate, and here's a picture of my daughter and her husband that I'm going to use for that today. So the first thing you want to do is cut your laminate exact to the size of the canvas. You don't want any overhang. So you want to cut it 8 by 8, and we're going to do that, and then we're going to press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Now that we got the laminate sheet cut to the exact size of the canvas, you want to make sure you press with the shiny side up, cover it with butcher paper. So what I've done is I've seen a little trick on YouTube where I just took some regular copy paper. I used my guillotine cutter and I cut out the size of the inside. I measured the inside and I cut out copy paper to fill it up so that when you press it doesn't dip in the middle. So this copy paper should fit right in here, and it does. If you see, it fit right in there. There we go. So now when I press, it has a solid foundation in the center and we don't get any dips in it. So that's just a quick tip. It's cheaper than buying a pack of copy paper, costs 99 cents. So it's cheaper to use this and sit it in there and cut it to the size with a guillotine cutter than it is to go to the store, buy a piece of wood, measure it, whatever. But you can use either one. Wood is probably a little more sturdier, but I just used what I had around here for this video. Once again, before you press, this side, I don't know if you could tell, is the side that has the matte side. You want to press that side to the substrate, the shiny side up. Medium pressure. You want to line this up. Make sure you cover the whole substrate. Use your butcher paper. Press again, medium pressure, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Now what you want to do is just kind of let it cool for a second. Just give it about 30 to 60 seconds. Let it cool, and then we'll put the sublimation print on top and press again for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but my print is about, the canvas is 8 by 8. I printed at 8.25 all the way around. So I give it a little overlap, just a little bit. I'm not going to tape this down. Usually I would tape it down if it was, 8 by 8, but I'm not going to tape it down. I'm just going to kind of line it up. Once again, we're pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, medium pressure. All right, let's see how this turned out. All right. So, as you can see up here around the edges, that where the paper was inside of there, it didn't get real good, but everywhere else the color is perfect. I mean, it really looks good. But right around here where the paper, if you can see that light mark where it didn't get good pressure. So what I would do is buy a block of wood, measure the block of wood and stick it in there so that we can get good firm pressure on the canvas. But outside of that, it looks really nice. Hope this video helped somebody. Hope you can use it to grow your business, and follow us on YouTube, subscribe, like Creative Designs LLC, and we'll have more videos on more things we're doing sublimation or printing all together. Thanks for watching.